So it's an opener for beginners, for newbies, for intermediate. That's why from Cebu, from Mindanao, they join, and almost they join.
Bakit sumali tayo ng Mascara Festival? Of course, we know this is the most sought-out tournament. But then, of course, we want to know kung bakit nga ba pinagsasalihan to ng mga ating teams. Okay? Coach! Ano nga ba?
Hello, Coach Cyril of WDM. Pabali pangatlong sali na namin to kasi national ranking din siya. Then gusto din namin na yung mga bata makikita namin na mag-excel din this tournament para makapag-join din sila international ng mga tournament. Gaya ng PBAT program.
Yes po, actually kasi naman, ang PNRS din naman, we have to remember na yung ranking system, no? This is where we get yung talagang top to top. So, yung selection na to, naka-base to, yung kukunin sa World Juniors and Asian Juniors, dito kukunin. So, people really wants to get that rank, especially yung top 10 na rank, diba? Kasi dito may chance kayo i-represent yung country in other prestigious international tournaments. Okay?
I'm Coach Ian of San Carlos City. We joined Mascara Tournament because number one is to support the program of Mayor Albi Benitez sa Mascara Olympics. And we want our players to be exposed some other strong players from all over the country. That's our main purpose.
Hello, I am Coach RJ Ongkwako of National Academy of Sports. Nandito tayo ngayon, sumali kami sa Mascara Olympics Badminton. And ang goal kasi ng team namin is to join talaga mga PBAD sanctioned tournaments. So, our program head, Coach Kenny from PBAD, nung sinabi niya agad na may Mascara Super 500 sa juniors, nag-prepare agad kami, naayos namin yung papers, and ayun, nandito na tayo ngayon, nagko-compete sa Mascara.